That's all I got. All right. So now we're gonna go right here, go in and out like that. I'm gonna hook right here. And keep moving that one. That'll be pretty for the camera.
Fuck.
Is that a real submission grappling here?
Fuck.
People are like, you should do this in a fight. And I'm like, yeah, that would never work because you get punched in the face.
Yeah, that's release or whatever you call it.
Yep. Keep going. Much better. There it goes. Almost there. And the other part of that is this one's also terrible. Yeah, tell us a funny joke.
Damn.
Give us a dad joke.
I'm ticklish and it's pain, so it's like a double whammy.
Give us a dad joke. What did the ocean say to the beach? Nothing, he just waved. Boo. Not funny. Right there. Raise the arm a little higher. There we go. Bring it back down. Alright, perfect. Right. Push down towards my face again. There we go. And again. Much better. Alright, go hand on hip like this. Pull this elbow straight back. Pull. Pull, 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 pull. Pull harder. Good. And check this side. Hand goes here. And pull back. Pull. There it was. Ooh. Okay. Let's go ahead and stand up. Maybe face this way. Jersey Shore duck. Alright, good. Count to 17.
In French.
Dang.
Where'd you feel that?
Here.
Like all down the spine?
Yeah.
That's good. Alright, bring that in closer on this one. We're gonna get the lower part of this one too. Got that left shoulder down? Good. This one's gonna be right here. Left shoulder down again. Ooh. Alright, sit back up. See how that feels.
Feels like I don't have a head.
Feels lighter now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bobblehead.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sweet. Alright, stand up,
Thank
move
you.
around, kind of shake that out, see what you got.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good. Both hands right there. Look down. There we go. Alright, sit here again. Arm goes up and push down towards my face. Much better.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Out of there. Yeah. So face towards me, push. Yeah. Much better. Then just go ahead and throw that right a little bit. Throw it lighter.
Yeah. Feels good. I can like I just want to reach the ceiling. Before, remember I was like,
Yeah, I was feeling jammed. Alright.
Yeah.
Pull that shoulder blade back. Keep pulling back. Keep pulling. Good. And we're gonna go right here. Pull back. Keep pulling back. Just keep stretching it backwards. Good. Throw the right again. There. That feels different?
a lot different.
Yeah. And push your head to the right. Go to the right again. Yeah. The power's turned on, alright?
Yeah.
Sometimes you forget how much there is there. Alright, go back to here again, bring that one up again. So,
Up here.
yep, and up. Better. So we're going to come to the lap one more time. So you're just going to raise the roof like that. So bring the elbow down and raise the roof. And keep going. Have you ever had a traction adjustment before?
I don't think so.
Where they would pull your head?
Oh
upwards?
yeah. Actually, yeah.
So you do all on that one?
It was a while ago. Like where they like kind of crack your neck. Is it that? Or
Yeah, sort of. You do all with that one?
Yeah. Just relax.
Hand the shoulder up. About that time.
Yeah.
And slider.
Yeah.
Do it one more time. Just hold it right there. Bring it right here. So we're gonna go right here, and I'm just gonna have you go across the body.
Okay.
Yep. Back to me. Get that one back. Go across again. There it goes.
Wow.
Yeah. That's being about young and healthy. Everything reacts really quickly. Damn. And go up again there. Yeah. How about there?
Yeah, way better.
Yeah. And throw the right again. Yeah. Big turbocharge, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, go on your back. Let's do that traction.